Alright, guys, welcome back on the channel, Rock of Diesel. Before I forget, the last two videos I posted, I forgot to mention this, and I feel it's kind of important. But if you view this video there, or my other videos there, give it a thumbs up, man. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, like, so you get the notification, you know, if a little bell ringer that YouTube video people there say. So you guys do that, you know what to do. So today is more of a how-to video. It's not really diesel, well, kind of diesel related as we're in a diesel shop right now. But it's basically oil change. You guys guessed it. Got Mobile 1 filter, Pennzoil 5W30. That's with this 2-liter EcoBoost. So that's the same engine that's in Escapes. You know, I believe it's like 2016 and newer, something like that. Whatever has a 2-liter EcoBoost in it, that's what you're gonna be doing. So to start off, you want to have your 8mm socket, because under these cars, these new cars there, they got this plastic panel. Alright? So you want to remove the 8mm bolt, and then you can see your drain plug, which I believe it's a 15 or 14, and the oil filter and all that. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, we got that cover off. I lied to you. It's not 8mm, it's 7mm. Haha. Now you're going to be cussing me around and say, oh, that guy said it was 8mm, and then you'll have to go back to your toolbox or socket or case or whatever and grab a 7mm or grab the fucking some sockets to mash it up. You're welcome. Now that we've done this, I double check for you guys. The drain plug is 15 mil. I thought it was like 14 or something. No, 15. I can assure you that top notch. So you'll need a snap-on flex head ratchet, or else it just doesn't work like any other. And also a set of filter wrench, got them socket, or the good old screwdriver trick, whatever floats your boat basically. But I mean, you got a decent set of filter wrench, and I believe about this size there, the filter is gonna work. So you'll pop off your fill plug. So you want to pop it off, or else it creates suction in there, and it doesn't drain properly. It's like any other jug, like this there, you puncture a hole through it as you're dumping it, and it just flows better. That's why your jerry cans there, on the little like wiener stick there, there's a vent hole for it, just so it doesn't go glug, it's just free flowing. Same shit, different pod, guys. You want to pop that off, start draining, drain pan, whatever, and get all that old oil out. So you just checked for leaks, started it. There's no leaks whatsoever. So what I'm gonna do before double checking it, we're gonna install that just because the car is so low. So we're gonna install that panel back on. Use anti-seize, or else you'll be cussing yourself out the next time, especially if you live here in Canada, stand there. Well, where we use salt and stuff. You want to be using anti-seize every time, so it's nice and easy for the next time. Keep it simple. So we're gonna do that, slap that back on together, and lower the car, double check the oil, fill up if we need to, and call it a day. Put 5 liters in and needed a little bit more to be full. Yeah, buddy. Fill right here. All right, so that's a wrap. That's how you do an oil change on the 2-liter EcoBoost. So this is a 2021 Edge, but the Escape has a 2-liter EcoBoost, so all basically newer SUVs, I guess, from Ford with the 2-liter EcoBoost. That's how you do the oil change on them. You guys are gonna say, did you torque the oil plug or whatever and shit like that? Well, on the little video there, time lapse that I was draining and stuff, the oil filter, to put them up, just hand tight, man. Hand tighten probably like a little right at the end, and the drain plug, I didn't even torque it, to be honest. I know it's like probably like 30 to 40 foot-pounds or something like that, so I always do snug, and yeah, that's it. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, like, and comment, and you got tips and tricks, well, I'm an open book. So keep them running. Catch you next time. Peace out.